Guys, say hello to my little friend. Ironically, the spare parts I ordered for this car and the sunshine arrived on the same day, because I was getting ready to chop this thing up, guys, and upgrade it to brushless. So I thought I should shoot a first run video stock right out of the box before I tear this thing up and upgrade it, guys. This is the Arrma TYPON. And this is stock, brand new out of the box, guys. I'm going to leave it in the stock configuration for this run and this run only. Right after this, I'm going to go home and take it apart and upgrade it to brushless. All of my parts are in. Even though the weather is nice today, I'm not going to stay out here all day and run this thing, guys. Let's just give it a first run. I don't expect it to be very fast, but I do want to get a feel for how it handles, how it steers, and how it maneuvers. This is stock. As you can see, not very fast at all. It's supposed to do about 35 miles an hour stock. Whoa. Gotta watch out for traffic. But of course, those numbers reflect this highest speed, 35 miles per hour, if I put a LiPo in it. Right now I'm running the stock lithium ion battery. I believe it's 2400 milliamp. I'm not impressed. But for a beginner, this would be very nice. She's got good handling. She's taking the curves without turning over. Let me do a little steering trim here. Going pretty good. That is full throttle, guys. And this one's been labeled a speed buggy, but of course this is from the beginner line of the Arrmas. When I'm done with it, I hope we get it up to at least 50 miles an hour to match the speed of my Granite and my Big Rock. That is full throttle. Let me make sure I don't have the limiter turned on. Yeah, we're at 100%, and she's handling very well. She's got on and off-road tires on it. I don't plan on upgrading the tires anytime soon. First, I'm going to work on the electronics, and we'll go from there. This TYPON Mega is basically the same chassis as the brushless version. I saved about $100 with getting this one, and like I said, this is going to be my next project car. My VRX Racing Cobra. The Cobra is down again for repairs. And I like the Cobra. I want to save that car, except for it's very hard to find parts for the VRX racing vehicles. Most certainly you got to wait for the parts that come from China. Oh, she's got some crawling ability there. It's always a pain in the butt to wait for the parts to come from China. And guys, honestly, that's why I'm going with Arrma from now on. Most of my vehicles are going to be Arrma. The parts are very plentiful. Even the day one when Arrma releases a new vehicle, spare parts are available. This is not bad. If I was a brand new newbie, I'm an old newbie, but I'm still kind of new at this RC thing, guys. I didn't bring my GPS speed meter with me today, but that thing is doing nowhere near 30 miles an hour. I would say upper 20s at the most. She's nice looking. I can tell those are some nice tires on it, and it has a nice servo in it. Steering is precise, fast, quick, and reactive. She can turn her wheels while standing still on concrete. Actually, that looks pretty much compatible to what I get from my big rock and my granite. Now, some of you guys may be saying right now, Soul Force, why didn't you just get the brushless version? Because for about another $100, $299, you can get the TYPON in the 3S Mega version. I mean, 3S BLX brushless version. And with that model, you will get some beefed up suspension on it. The reason I got this one, guys, like I said, my VRX Racing Cobra is down again for repairs, and the parts I need for it are really, really hard to find. So what I'm going to do is take the electronics out of the Cobra and see if we could turn this TYPON brush to at least a 3S brushless system. Definitely. In fact, I'll be doing that today. I got out early today to do this first run. I just wanted to get this one on video. And the next time you see this car, guys, she should be zipping by us at least 50 miles an hour. And for me, the upgrade is going to be almost free. I'm going to use existing parts I have laying around the house. I did have to order a pinion gear for this car. When I put the brushless motor in it, I'm going to also gear it up a little bit. And in the future, I do expect some of the suspension parts to break down on me, and I'm already in the process of ordering upgrade suspension for this thing, A-arms and hub carriers and yada yada yada, stuff like that, guys. Okay, so here we go. That's our first look at the Arrma TYPON 8-scale speed buggy. Mine is the mega version, but I plan on upgrading it soon, so guys, stick around and stay tuned for that. For the upgrades, I won't do step-by-step videos, but I will snap some snapshots of the work in progress as I take it apart and put it back together again. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for always tuning in. It's your boy, DJ Soul Force. Pow! And I'm out of here. That's full throttle and full left turn, and she won't flip over. Perfect for a newbie.